Opening a document. Open option allows us to open the desired Flash file from a location. Go to File and select the Open option. In the Open dialog box, select the location and the file. In Files of Type, we have various options such as ActionScript, JavaScript, and Flash file. Flash movie file, XFL document, and ActionScript communication file will also be shown. Select New File and click Open. Now the selected file is open. Fine. Use this option and we can open the saved document. Quick tip, pressing Ctrl and O can also open a saved application. Next we move on to Open Recent option. This option lists the recently opened files in Flash. So go to File and select Open Recent. It lists some file names that are accessed recently. We can also select the desired file which we wish to open from here. Very good, we've learned how to open the different file formats using the Open option and learned about Open Recent option as well. So use these options to open a saved document.